test her out, make sure she looks good. Me, meaning me. It is your girl Tanisha, aka She's a Model, and I am here to do a quick review on a product. This product I picked up about a month ago. I picked it up at 5 and below, you guys. All right, so I only paid, I think it was like, what, $5? I forgot exactly how much I paid, but it was not pricey at all. All right, I picked this up so cheap, and this is such a game changer. It's great. It is phenomenal for cleaning your brushes. You never ever have to sit there and scrub a brush to oblivion again, because I had this issue. Like, I was constantly like scrubbing my brushes, you know, just to get them clean. But this product that I picked up, I seen a lot of reviews, and the reviews said, oh, it doesn't work. But I just want to show a review that actually shows that it does work. Okay, it does work. This is a technique that I use to make this thing work like magic. I promise you, your brushes will be coming out clean, spotless, bacteria free. That's definitely a plus, you know, and it's gonna be coming out amazing. This little bad girl right here, it is phenomenal. I love it so much. This thing has done so much for me in my makeup cleaning brushes routine. It is just so phenomenal. Like, I really love this product, and I'm like, you know what, I have to review, and I have to tell my girlies, you know, I have to tell you guys that you should pick this up. I know a lot of people probably saw this in their local 5 Below, and they were like, oh, they don't want to get it because they seen the reviews that it's whack. But I took a wing and I said, let me try for myself. Let me see how it actually works, because before I even tried it, I looked at the reviews, and the reviews were saying how, oh, it doesn't work because they're using it wrong. All right, they are using it wrong. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you should use this product and how it's gonna work for you. All right, you guys, this is what it says on top of it. It says washing machine. And this you can use for your brushes. You can use it for anything you really want to use it for, to be honest with you. Anything that's nice and small. So if you guys can hear the sound, it's spinning inside. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up look. I'm gonna show you guys some of my brushes that I do have. All right, and I'm gonna get some of them clean. So I'm gonna pick a big brush that I can clean, because I have a few that I'm gonna clean tonight, but I'm just wanna show you guys how it works. So I have a big brush that I wanna show you guys how it's gonna be cleaned. Okay, these are all dirty, all right? These all need cleaning. All right, you guys, so we have the washing machine ready to go. All right, so the products that I'm using to wash the brushes with, I'm using soap, bleach. Okay, you guys, the bleach is very crucial. Okay, it is going to keep it nice and clean and allow it to do the disinfecting. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go in with the bleach, and then we're going to use water as well. All right, so now I'm just pouring the soap into the washing machine. And then I'm going to pour the water into the washing machine as well. Okay, and then I'm going to pour a tiny bit of bleach. You want to put a tiny bit of bleach because we're going to rinse it out with water afterward, just so that we can make sure we get all the bleach out, okay? So first I'm going to start with a big brush. I think I'm just going to show you guys how I did the big brush, but these are all the brushes that I'm going to use, and you're going to be able to see once it's completed. All right, but I'm just going to show you guys how I do this brush, so you guys can learn how to do it once you do pick it up from your local 5 Below. Okay, so I'm just going to put it in there. It's going right into the washing machine. Okay, you guys, and it is blowing. It has like a spinning effect to it. It's so nice. I love it, you guys. So as you can see, it's spinning in there, just spinning away. So you want to just make sure that you're dabbing it while you're cleaning it, which is what I'm doing right now. So it takes some time. I'm just gonna leave it in there and let it spin. Okay, Alright, you guys, so now I have the brush basically completed now. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the brush, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it with the water so that I can get all the bleach out of the brush. All right, as you can see, the brush looks very cleaner than it looked prior to me putting it into the machine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dab the brush into the clean water so that it can get nice and rinsed out. All right, I did add soap in that water as well. Okay, so I'm just going back and forth, continuously cleaning the brush. Okay, making sure I get all the nooks and crannies out of that brush as much as I can. And then I'm gonna go ahead and dab the water. So you want to make sure even after you do this method that you wash it with just water, preferably in your sink, so you can just clean it. But I'm just going to show you guys a quick little tutorial on how I'm doing it, how you can see the difference in the brushes after it has been completed and washed. All right, as you can see, it is looking a lot better than it looked before. Okay, look at that, you guys. So much cleaner than it was before. So this is the finished product after I rinsed it with water in my sink. I let it dry for a few minutes. It's still not completely dry. All right, these brushes were dirty. They were filthy. All right, and this is how clean they came out. They look phenomenal. Okay, less time to clean. This brush, this washing machine is phenomenal. If you are thinking about picking up this washing machine, my advice is to pick it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. One love.